And today's video is going to be about a doctor versus teacher. Now, I found a very interesting article that is saying teachers make 3 cents more compared to a doctor per hour. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Christian. I like to post financial videos and I want to teach others how to become financially free. Financial freedom. Yeah. I would also like to do a place to plug in. In my video description, you will find the link to WeBull and you're going to find the link to Robinhood. Please, if you want a free stock, go ahead, click on WeBull, deposit $100 and you will get a free stock as well as I will get a free stock. It is a win-win situation. We both win. Robinhood, the exact same scenario. Sign up for Robinhood, use my reference code down below. You obtain a free stock, I obtain a free stock. Win-win. Alright guys, with that being said, let's take it to the article and see what is going on here. Alright guys, so in this article, they're saying teachers make 3 cents more dollars, 3 cents more an hour compared to doctors. Let's break it down together. I feel they're using some funny number business to accomplish their narrative, but let's go through it together and let's see what's going on, because it is a little strange to me. Alright, so the best medical degrees, your online guide to the top medical degree program. See what's going on here. Doctors make 3 cents less compared to time spent to become a doctor. The grand total of 41,760 hours, which that's a long time. That's equivalent to that's the equivalent of 20 years full-time work. So it takes 20 years to become a doctor. Money spent becoming a doctor. Undergraduate, $100,000. Are these people going to Harvard and Yale? Or what college are they going to? Have they not heard of student aid, financial aid, grant scholarships? That's a lot of money for an undergraduate degree. Medical school, $200,000. Interest. It takes 20 years to become a doctor. By the time you can pay it off, you're collecting 20 years worth of interest. Huh. And that equals a grand total of $687,360. Thanks to interest, I basically doubled it. Alright, okay, finally they bring up teachers. The doctors over a lifetime make 5.2 million. Teachers make 2 million. The doctors make a little bit more than double. Alright, these are the total numbers. Their debts. What? $186,000 in school debt to become a teacher. Well, that kind of makes it a fair comparison, because I did feel they're over-exaggerated the doctor side. So if they're also over-exaggerating the teacher side, it kind of levels the playing field. So hours worked. Okay, I see what they're doing here. Okay, exactly what I was assuming. It's income after debt divided by the number of hours. Even though the teacher makes half, it's getting divided by half of the number of hours. And that's how the teacher makes 3 cents more an hour compared to a doctor. That's what they did. Alright guys, as you saw, teachers make 3 cents more an hour. At least according to this article. Very interesting. Here's some background information. My wife's a teacher, and I don't know, I just found this article to be very interesting because it hits close to home. It's funny. This is just the classic. This is just a twist on... Can I help you, Zoey? The gorda. No, she don't want to jump back up. I'm trying to see if I can get her on camera. Alright, let's try this, guys. Quickly. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Come on, tripod. Tripod, tripod. Relax, relax. Alright. Alright guys. Hope you liked the video. Comparison between a doctor and a teacher. If you liked it, make sure to like the video, click the subscribe button, and help my channel take off. If you're willing to share it, that would be amazing. Amazing. Alright guys, till next time. Quick little video. Hope you like it. Catch you later.